Frottage and rubbing are drawing techniques where you rub charcoal or colored pencils on paper placed on top of objects with hard textured patterns. This provides an interesting method of visual expression as well as a primitive method of copying graphic information. In traditional frottage, the texture is copied by putting an object surface and rubbing on it. However, in digital rubbing, paper is placed on the surface where images are saved and then paper is rubbed to be copied. We made a transpen and the MemoPad for digital rubbing. Let's place this blank paper on MemoPad and go over it with a pen. Transpen consists of a location sensor, the drive, and the pencil. The sensor taken from a Wacom tablet detects the location of the pen, and the solenoid drive is used to take the image output data and turn it into linear motion. A tablet was used to make MemoPad. When the transpen receives an output signal from MemoPad, the solenoid is actuated and the pencil is pushed forward for a picture to be drawn. When copying the image with the transpen, we saw that there was serious discordance with the target image. This was because of the human hand being so much faster than the system delay. So we corrected the system delay of the transpen by applying basic dead reckoning technique. You can place a film with a pattern printed on it to draw on it, and you can get the same effect as using the traditional frottage technique. After drawing on a tablet monitor, you can place a piece of paper on top and go over it with transpen to copy the image. Eventually, it is possible to digitally transfer physical images. During this process, the artist can alternate between the physical world and the virtual world, copying images and adding ideas to create a new work. It will be possible to commercialize transpen and MemoPad as a children's drawing tool. Possibly the MemoPad will be built into other objects, enabling people to leave graphic images in everyday objects and places, making it possible to communicate with other people in this way.